You want to stop do good because of what you're going through, or maybe someone hurt you or take you for granted. Hey, how are you doing? Let's look at what the Word of God says in Galatians. Yes, I'm still in the book of Galatians, chapter 6, and let's go to verse 9. And it says here, "And let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap." But listen now, we're not going to reap just like that. There's a command, if we faint not. So let's read it all together again. "And let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season," that time, come on, harvest time, "we shall reap, if," the things of God, come on, somebody, "if we faint not." So God is faithful. Be faithful unto him and watch him come through for you. See you in morning glory. Bye-bye.